Welcome back to the multi-threading internal series. In this video, we will look into objects and references. This is important to understand the upcoming videos. In the upcoming videos, we will have the scenarios where the objects which are stored in heap are shared by multiple threads. Threads implies we are referring to the stacks which are created for each thread. So in the future we might refer thread as a curved line, or we might refer it as a stack representing. So instances always reside in heap memory. Instances always reside in heap, but the references sometimes they reside in stack and sometimes they reside in heap. So we have two scenarios where references are part of instances and local variables. The second one is local variables. We have a test class here. Using this test class, we will try to understand these two scenarios. Right? This is the syntax to create the object. Let's see how this behaves. So in this scenario, the test object is part of this class and it's an instance variable. So let's look into JVM how this behaves. This is the JVM process. In this we have heap and a stack where this class is instantiated. So when this class is instantiated, example2 class is instantiated, its object is created in heap. Whenever this is created, the test object is also created and its reference name is test instance. So this reference resides here in this object, and a separate object is created for test class, and this instance this refers to the test class object. So in this scenario, the reference variable is residing in the heap memory. Now let's look into another scenario where the reference resides on stack. So we have one more class here, example3 class, and in this class we have a method 3, and in this method we are creating the object of the test class. So whenever this object is created, object always resides in heap. But this reference, now this is from inside a method. So whenever this method is added to the stack, so in this stack frame, the instance variable is stored, and this is referring to the test object which is created in the heap memory. So with these both the scenarios, we try to understand the reference variables when they reside in stack frame and when they resides in heap memory. I hope you are clear on this topic.